Hi, I'm just gonna have to replace the attachments on the tweeter cables. If you can see, these are a larger clip, so I have some crimps that fit the nice and snugly, and I'm gonna use these guys and squeeze it down on the wires and then shrink wrap it, or sorry, heat seal it for a nice tight fit on the wires. And the wires I'm referring to are the tweeter wires, which are these ones. And you see that's a smaller connector. These are not the best crimps to be using, but they're what I got, so gotta make them work. As long as the connection's there, but I think it's gonna be okay. And then the heat shrink goes over the edge like such, and I'll apply a heat gun on that, and it'll shrink down tight, and it'll look nice and secure and sort of insulate the connection. So here is the little heat gun I have. More of an arts and crafts style heat gun. And that's what I'm going to call an okay connection for the new tweeter. And now I just do it to all the other connectors, which are the three others, the positive and the negatives for the speakers. Getting close to finishing this project. This is a cherry finish I'm going to possibly be putting on top of the walnut grain to fill in little creases and cracks and scratches to cosmetically hide it. So I'm just trying it out on a blank piece of wood to just see how cherry it really is. I also purchased a walnut finish in the same product, and I'm gonna do the same on another space of this wood. So that's the cherry. Let's see what the walnut looks like. Cherry, walnut. Probably gonna go with the walnut. So I'm gonna be finishing the speakers with a restore and finish product from Howard's. I've never used this product before, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. A lot of people online who are into the same sort of things that I am in terms of restoring stereo gear and fixing up veneers have really testified that this is a great product. So I decided to give it a try. So this is me giving it a try. This is the cherry finish, and I'm going to do it on this side here, and I'll show you what it looks like. You can see that this veneer is in very good shape already. As you know, I've already put a lot of teak oil onto it over the last while. It's soaked in, and we're going to see how this product sort of blends in and sort of hides any blemishes. So
you.